Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. This is Carlos, and you've tuned into the Red and Black Collection, guys. Hey, I appreciate you tuning in with me once again. So today, guys, I'm hanging out with my man Calvin Butler, the owner of Big Boys Toys. So Calvin is a local Houston collector who just happens to have a crazy collection of classic GM pickup trucks, mostly C10s. And Calvin has parts for days. He's got shells, he's got complete trucks, he's got frames, he's got doors. He has just about anything. You name it, if you need a part for a C10, Calvin most likely has the part. So I'm gonna take you into his shop and let you explore the world of Big Boys Toys, so you can see all the cool stuff that Calvin has in his shop. Do me a favor really quick, hit that subscribe button, tap the like button, and comment below. Let me know what you think about this content in this video. And then of course, if you do so feel inclined, please share this video with a friend. Wow. Monte Carlo G-body. That's right on my alley, man. I got an 87. I got an 87 SS Monte Carlo.
That's a 36 Dodge up there all the way.
36 Dodge, okay. El Camino.
El Camino, Chevelle all the way to the back.
What year Chevelle is that?
The Chevelle is 71, 72 model.
71, 72 model. So how many cars would you say you have in all?
Man, don't make me lie. I got to think about
Just guess. Throw a number. Would you say more than 20? Less than
About
50?
20.
About 20. Now of those 20 cars, how many of them are running? How many of them run and drive?
Shit. All 20. Pretty much. Yeah, all you got to do. Man, most of them I need to, like that one right there, I got to put LS motor in. This will run it right here. This
The Monte Carlo?
This here one will be run. I just put that motor
Okay.
in. Yeah, pretty much. I'm like at that's 15.
15?
Yeah, pretty much.
Let's see if I can slide back there. What's this right here?
That's a 442 Cutlass.
Really?
Yeah.
This is 68? 60,
No, that's a 67.
67? Okay. Wow.
So what's up, man? Pretty good. Oh yeah, I let him know, man. I've been doing this shit for a minute. I don't try to keep shit, you know, everybody else has some fun work, you know. I can't drive them all. I got shit at the house.
What year you said the Chevelle was?
71.
71, okay.
72 model.
You got a number on it?
No, it's sold.
It's it's sold.
I said it's sold.
Okay. Man, between you and hey, between him and Damaris, I don't know who got more cars.
I know. Probably married. Well, yeah, that is. He probably got more cars than I got. That motherfucker got about 100 cars.
Man, Damaris, man, he just be popping up with cars. you doing to it, man?
Nothing now. I'm trying to throw a big block in this one.
You do this for a living or is this just a hobby?
Hobby.
Hobby. It's a Nova, right?
Yeah.
Like a 70, 72?
Yeah. So I'm trying to finish my truck first, then I'm gonna work on this one.
You going all the way with this one?
Yeah.
Pretty rough, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, so you gonna tub it?
Yeah. Like just like that red Camaro he has over there.
Right, right.
So since the trunk, the liner is already fucked up,
Yes, you gotta.
I'm just go ahead and just tub it anyway.
Might as well. Might as well. You gotta go in there anyways. Yeah. Might as well. Yeah, this is nice, man. I like these models here, man. Real close cousin to the Chevelle.
Yeah. That's what I really want to
Yeah, absolutely. That big block is gonna be real nice in there too, man.